In this class, we are going to discuss about the single phase half wave control rectifier circuit with RLE load, discontinuous load current with freewheeling diode. Freewheeling diode is nothing but a diode which is connected across the load. This diode is on only when the load is subjected to the negative voltage. Now we are going to see the circuit operation by taking the two cycles of the input voltage. Now we are applying the technical voltage to SCR whenever it is followed by us at alpha and a 2 pi plus alpha. We start developing the output voltage waveform from alpha. 0 to alpha no device connecting circuit, so the output voltage becomes 0. At alpha, SCR is on. Once the SCR is on, the output voltage follows the input voltage up to pi. After pi, SCR is forced to conduct, so the negative voltage will be appearing across the load. So the diode is followed by us. Now the load current will be passing load freewheeling diode again come to the load. So at this point, SCR will be off and freewheeling diode is conducting up to beta. The freewheeling diode also will be off at an angle beta because that current is come to the 0. From beta to 2 pi plus alpha, no device connecting circuit, so the output voltage becomes the voltage in a load, that is E. At 2 pi plus alpha, SCR is on. Again, the output voltage follows the input voltage up to 3 pi. Freewheeling diode is conducting 0. 2 pi plus beta, no device connecting circuit. So the output voltage is equal to E. If you draw the load current waveform, alpha to pi, the current is increased to the maximum value and slowly come to the 0 at angle beta. The same manner, the load current is passing from 2 pi plus alpha, increase to the maximum value and slowly come to the 0 at 2 pi plus beta. Now if you find the average output voltage, the base length of the repeated curve becomes a 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi integral alpha to pi Vm sin omega t d omega t plus E into 2 pi plus alpha minus beta, which is giving the area under this curve. This integration is giving the area of the under this curve whole divided by 2 pi. If we complete this integration, V naught equal to Vm by 2 pi into 1 plus cos alpha plus E into 2 pi plus alpha minus beta. Now we are going to keep the same circuit operation in the table form. Alpha to pi, SCR is conducting, the output voltage becomes a VAB. Pi to beta, freewheeling diode is conducting, the output voltage 0. Beta to 2 pi plus alpha, no device conducting circuit, the output voltage becomes a D. Thank you very much for watching this video.